Good morning, friends. In the last lecture, we discussed about the some file structure. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss about the Java file. Brief introduction about the Java file. Brief introduction about the our functionality part. Just open your existing project, close all the other things, and just open our Java file. I want to tell some discussion about the Java file. We freshly created one Java file, home.activity and main.activity. Just open the home.activity because our the main.activity is already built file and already connected with the our XML file, our layout, our UI part. This is the Java file homeactivity.java. First is the package name, second is the import app compact activity. What is the app compact activity? App compact activity, it supports the material design. It support all the things related to material design. I can use some other things also. I can use some activity also. I can use other things also. I can use fragment also. I can use fragment activity also. So this is the our class name home activity public class extend app compact activity. Just use the command and cursor. This is the our app compact activity. It's a by default class. It's a super class we can say, or this is the we can say as the subclass. Means we can acquire all the properties from our app compact activity. If I use the activity here, if you just click ACTIVITI, so many super classes are available in the Android Studio. We're just selecting activity. You can see this is the app compact is just showing some light. Activity means we can acquire all the properties, all the things related to the activity in our main file. Command cursor, just click activity. Activity is the parent class. You can see so many things related to some intent, resume, on start, all the things is related to inside the activity. Second things in our Java file, how we can communicate, how we can connect to Java file to our the UI layout part. That is the main things. Yeah, just changing again to app compact activity. Now in app compact activity, in activity Android provides a method. We need to extend one method, we need to overwrite one method. This help of this method we can communicate with our XML file. This method name is the onCreate. On we discussed in the block diagram of activity, there is some method is the onCreate, onStart, onCreate, onResume, onPause, destroy. Like as this all are the methods is available in the Java file. OnCreate. We just type onCreate. So many methods here the showing related to onCreates. But onCreate bundle saved instance is the one method. This help of this method we can communicate, yeah, we can connect our Java file to XML file, yeah, we can connect our XML file to Java file. Second one, protected void onCreate. You can see override. We override one method. Protect void onCreate bundle saved instance. We override the one method. Now we need to set the our view. Which view we want to connect with this Java file. one method set content view. Third number, set content view. How we can set the content view? Before this setting content view, we need to discuss one more things in our about the Android Studio. Here is a R file. Here is one R file. In this R file, all the Java related, all the XML related content ID is storing. We can say like this. If we create some by default ID, or if we create some our custom ID, it's converted into some code and storing in our the r.id file. In R file. So we need to get from the R file also. I created to one layouts. Yeah, by default I created one layout activity underscore main. Activity underscore main ID is stored in the R file. We need to get from the R file. That's why we are using the R dot. Here we want to get from the layout folder, resource layout dot layout. You can see com dot first step dot r. What is the our layout name? Activity main. We can set. Yeah, we can create new one also. In next section we will discuss about how to create the new one. This is the setting process, and this is the connection process between the Java files and XML file. Now next things. How to create the new file? Yeah, how to create the new Java file? Already I told you, I think. Just click on the our package. We already created in this package. We can create one more. We can create more than 100. We can create many of the files. Now we are creating the new package background. Right click, new Java file. Testing file, a sample file, sample. Second thing is showing there the kind. Which kind? What kinds? Is the class, yeah, interface, yeah, enum, yeah, annotation, yeah, singleton class. We will later discuss about the one more thing is the singleton class. Is the very important part. We need to focus on this one also. Now we are the class selecting. What is a super class? I already told you. Super class is the palace. Super class is the class. From this class to we can acquire, we can get all the properties, we can get all the function, we can override all the function in our the main file. That's why we are using the our class name extend activity extend app compact. What is this extend app compact? App compact is a super class. Activity is a super class. Now I'm using here the app compact activity. Little bit about the interface we later discuss. Second is the packages. In which package we want to create this Java file in background package. Visibility, public, none. We can create the private also. We can create abstract also, final also. Just moving with the public visibility. Modify, none, abstract, final. Okay. That's it. Same process here. How we can communicate with the on create bundle saved instance. Yes, set content view r dot layout dot our XML file name. Now we are closing this section here. In next lecture we will discuss about the XML part, our the layout part. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe my